tensions in the Taiwan Strait are surging. This comes as Taiwan is considering a bold new strategy to counter China's military might. The kind of international force seen in conflict zones like Ukraine is being discussed as a solution to bolster Taiwan's shrinking military ranks. Could this controversial proposal be a game changer in Taiwanese defense against growing Chinese aggression? Taiwan's military is grappling with a serious challenge: a troop shortage amid rising threats from China. In a radical move, lawmakers and security experts are exploring the creation of a foreign legion, an idea inspired by similar forces in countries like Ukraine. Experts say that Taiwan's dwindling birth rate, one of the lowest in the world, is set to shrink the pool of available conscripts in the years ahead. The island's active military strength currently stands at 169,000 troops with 1.66 million reservists. In stark contrast, China's People's Liberation Army boasts over 2 million active soldiers and 500,000 reservists, posing an overwhelming numerical advantage. Taiwan has been drawing lessons from Ukraine's defense against Russia, ramping up its civil defense initiatives, boosting military spending, and extending mandatory military service from 4 months to 1 year. But questions remain about whether these steps will be enough. Meanwhile, China continues its aggressive tactics. This week, the Taiwanese Coast Guard detained a Chinese vessel suspected of damaging an internet cable off the island's northeast coast. This is the latest in a series of grey zone actions by Beijing. 2 years ago, Taiwan's outlying islands were almost cut off from the internet after similar incidents involving Chinese vessels. China views Taiwan as a breakaway province and has repeatedly threatened to use force to bring the island under its control. With military incursions by Chinese warships and jets becoming a near-daily reality, Taiwan's need to bolster its defenses has never been more urgent. So, could international fighters help level the playing field against China's overwhelming military power, or would it risk escalating tensions further?